What if I told you that 5 simple foods, some you probably already have in your kitchen, could completely change the way your thyroid functions? That's not an exaggeration. These natural, powerful foods have the ability to boost your energy, balance your hormones, and even support weight loss, all by nourishing one tiny gland in your neck. In this video, you're going to discover 5 superfoods that can naturally support your thyroid and improve your overall well-being. By the end, you'll not only understand which foods to eat, but also why they work, and how you can easily include them in your daily routine without overthinking it. Let's kick it off with something most people overlook: seaweed. This ocean vegetable might look odd on your plate, but it's one of the most potent sources of iodine on the planet. Your thyroid needs iodine to create the hormones that regulate metabolism, mood, and energy. Without it, you could be dealing with fatigue, brain fog, and weight gain and not even know why. Just a small amount of kelp, nori, or wakame can supply your daily iodine needs. But here's the twist: more isn't always better. Too much iodine can also throw your hormones off. That's why just a couple of servings a week is the sweet spot. Now let's talk about a tiny nut with a massive impact: the Brazil nut. Just 1 or 2 of these a day can give you all the selenium your thyroid needs to function properly. Selenium isn't just some trendy mineral, it actually helps convert inactive T4 hormones into active T3, which your body uses to regulate everything from your temperature to your mood. Plus, it protects your thyroid from oxidative stress. But here's something most people don't realize: overdoing selenium can be just as bad as not getting enough. 1 or 2 Brazil nuts per day. That's it. No need to overthink it. It's simple, powerful, and delicious. Next up, the humble egg. Often villainized in the past, eggs are now recognized as nutritional powerhouses, and they're great for your thyroid. Each egg provides a solid dose of both iodine and selenium. Think about that: one food, 2 key minerals your thyroid craves. But don't toss the yolk. That's where most of the nutrients are. Yolks also contain choline, which supports your liver and brain, both of which play critical roles in hormonal health. Try adding eggs to your breakfast a few times a week. It's one of the easiest ways to nourish your body from the inside out. And now, let's cool things down with some creamy yogurt. A cup of plain yogurt can contain up to 50% of your daily iodine needs, but it doesn't stop there. Yogurt is also amazing for your gut, and if you've been dealing with thyroid issues, you probably know how closely the gut and thyroid are connected. A healthy gut can reduce inflammation, improve nutrient absorption, and help balance your entire hormonal system. Go for plain or Greek yogurt with live cultures. Add some berries or nuts, and you've got a gut-friendly, thyroid-loving snack that tastes like a treat. Speaking of berries, they're our final superfood, and one of the most delicious ways to protect your thyroid. Strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, all loaded with antioxidants that reduce inflammation and protect your cells from damage. If you're dealing with autoimmune thyroid problems, these antioxidants can be game changers. And they're also high in fiber, low in sugar, and perfect for keeping your metabolism running smoothly. I mean, how often do you find a food that's both healing and indulgent? So let's recap: seaweed for iodine, Brazil nuts for selenium, eggs for both, plus choline, yogurt for iodine and gut health, and berries for powerful antioxidant support. You don't need a pharmacy to support your thyroid, just a smart grocery list. If you've ever felt tired for no reason, struggled to lose weight, or dealt with mysterious brain fog, your thyroid might be calling out for help, and these foods could be your first step to feeling better. Most people have no idea how powerful these foods really are. If you believe that food can transform your health and your mind, then help us spread this message. Like this video, share it with someone you love, and leave a comment below telling us your favorite thyroid-friendly food. And if you want to keep discovering more about superfoods and how to boost your performance, your brain, and your body, make sure to check out the other videos on this channel. Start with the one in the first comment. It's a game changer. See you in the next one.